Good day everyone, my name is Sanjing Yi and I am the Assistant Project Manager of the renovation project in the site Block 8, Story 24, Unit 1, Shantou, Guangdong, China. In this 5-minute video, I'll present you with the summary of this renovation project. Here is one of the basic technical drawing provided by the chief designer. After covering many floor plans from numerous studios for the flat within condominium called The Site, situated in Shantou, Guangdong. Among 2-room, 3-rooms and 4-rooms apartment plans, we have settled down on the bigger option. A 4-room flat can provide ample formal living space for my family. The house plan provided in this design gave us a lot of great ideas on how to best arrange and renovate, and even decorate a 4-room flat. As a single-story flat in a multiple-story block of a high-end condominium, the substructural work, as well as windows and external walls, is already developed by the developer, Chinese overseas, including all heating, water, and electricity supplied. The gross floor area in this case study will be around 109.22 square meters, including the 1.37 square meter shaded area being the open equipment platform, which is in total close to 110 square meter as the drawing developer suggested. With reference from the building economics and the Shantou construction handbook, calculation by the superficial area method for the total cost of this 4-room flat in Shantou, Guangdong, China, will be using the rate of low-density multiple apartment units with median standard finish in outlet from Ronglison Construction Cost Guide 2021 for easy to understand purpose. With reference from Ronglison Construction Cost Guide, local tender price and cost handbook, the cost of the project are such after updating the price to the current tender date, which is happened in real time 2021. We have held many meetings between all parties and come up with ideas, and the designers tried their best to fulfill our expectations after many amendments. With that said, there are still compromises and mistakes being made during the project progression. The predetermined total height, story height, circulation area, and plant shape brings a lot of constraints to establish the most cost-effective design solution. Even though it was very early in the project life cycle when the drawings were made, the developer already gave us a rough figure, and the chief designer himself measured the same amount. We already knew the rough figure from the developer because we have already decided on the specific floor area we wanted to require for our flat. Due to the local regulations, an extra cost of getting approved for knocking down some of the non-load-bearing walls was added to the special service role with a rate referred from the local cost handbook. This was fundamental to the interior design and was brought up during the meeting. The superficial area method is one of the easiest, fastest, and most dependable strategies to apply, mostly used by the government agencies to provide broad parameters for their projects, such as primary schools and police stations. However, it lacks preciseness and should only be employed in very early phases of a project. The elemental cost analysis method tells a story about the construction project. We were also able to extract and utilize relevant cost data from the experience of our main contractor for use in this case study. As a result, we spent more time looking at the various parts of the elemental analysis, but it turns out more accurate than the superficial area method. And that's all for my presentation on the summary of this case study. Thank you for viewing.